feel shame that, like, it's a bit of shame when you try and zoom in and go to the grain. That'd be a nice
2
photo.
hauls in 1 week, eh? So I want to usually get out there, didn't I?
Tomorrow, mate. Stuart,
What do you
Hey, mate, can I be a pain? Can I call the loco on?
of course, they're the whole.
Yeah.
They've been standing there all day that way.
Right, that's right,
To be fair, mate, I would like to go to the pub.
yeah.
Wouldn't we all?
From this side.
Yeah.
Yeah.